What's up, guys? Today I want to take a second here, but this is going to be a really short video, and just want to bring you some idea about trading different patterns, right? Sometimes in this business you have to be mindful of the fact that you have to take fast decisions, but
free your mind.
when you're not sure about the entry that you're going to take, rather just give it another second, or just for the sake of this information, just wait for one more candle. So on this video here, I just want to show you exactly why I say that, and sometimes it's better to wait a little bit longer for a little confirmation, and it's better to probably be left out sometimes than getting a entry that could end up messing up with the whole thing and making your day very, very bad. Today being Friday, I intend to keep you here in this video not for too long, so I'm gonna try to stick with a time frame here to let you guys go right away. You probably want to enjoy the rest of your day, so I don't want you to be here with me for a long time. So I'm gonna try to stick with a little tiny short video here, because sometimes I said it's gonna be a short video, you know, so sometimes it goes even to a 10-minute video. So today I was watching CHFS, Pinterest because of earnings. Fitbit got acquired by Google, started to ramp up in the pre-market hours, and I saw that happen because I got notifications on CNBC app on my phone. CRC, SPWR was in a secondary window that I was watching this thing from yesterday. Also, PCG started to ramp up in the pre-market hours. This presented itself to be a good opportunity in the last days or so. This thing started to just kind of like go sideways. Again, I was watching this thing yesterday. As you can see here, this is a 15-minute time frame. Today, I noticed it started to have a little decent, not too much volume, but it had a little action here, and I kept it on a secondary window. Now, I saw it flush in the first candle, and although my main watch was a little bit more focused on CRC and CHFS, well, but then this thing started to flush down. I looked at it, I let it go because, again, I don't know. Now, with the second candle happen, and I saw that micro pullback here, they got it really interested because this one had a low at $8.50. And if you hear me talk, you know that I really do talk a lot about the whole dollar area and half dollar area as a support or resistance. Being that this one was $8.50, I figured if we get correct under $8.50, we might end up going down even more. And we're trending here under the view app, which seems to be a very healthy trend to the downside. Now, at the break under here, that was the greatest opportunity. Very clean pattern. Came all the way right back down here. I was telling the guys in the live stream that I want to take something out because I like getting paid all the way down here. If you look at this candle here, we had a low $8.17. I took a lot out on this candle, and then I was holding some around here because I was looking for a bear flag formation, and I was looking for a follow through to the downside. If you notice here, it came right back down here, but we had a little tiny rejection because this candle came right back up. And as it failed to follow through, then on the ramp up in this little candle here, I decided that it was a good opportunity for me to rather just get out. And I was looking for a second entry under $8.35 though. I think it was a low of this candle right here. Yeah, that one, $8.35 under the view up when it was coming down here, because it was printing here these two great red candles. I figured if we can break under this area here under $8.35, it could be a good opportunity. Again, for the downside, I was looking for the 5-minute time frame here to give me a bear flag on the 5. And when I even saw this one print down here, this big red candle, when we were coming under the view app yet again, well, I just kept on watching it. Even here, when we had the shooting star formation on the 5 on the view app, I figured that it could be a good opportunity, but I was looking for an entry under $8.35, which actually didn't really work out. And the other stock, CHFS, that really worked okay today, was due here on the 1 minute time frame. We had a little tiny pin-up formation right here at the break of this red candle at $1.51 for the first ramp up. Here we had a little pullback here, and we had a couple of micro pullbacks on the 1 minute here. And this green trend line, if you guys were in the stream, you guys know that this is where the 50 simple moving average is sitting on right here on the daily. You can see it right there, 185. So I put a trend line right there, 186. And that was an area of resistance that I was looking for. As you see there, it's actually holding very, very tight around that area. But this breakout of this little panic formation of the 1 minute actually ended up being a pretty decent formation breakout. And around this candle towards 168, I exited my position. I know that a lot of you guys did a lot better than me there, but I wasn't too comfortable with this one. And I was also looking for a break under this resistance here on the daily, looking for a $2 and a 227 based on the daily candles, but it never really happened. I told you guys on the stream that I didn't feel too comfortable, and I didn't really take that trade for the follow through trade on this breakout. And thank God I didn't actually do it, because it hasn't worked. If you notice right here, we're just going sideways right now, sideways price action, which is not too great. Right now I ended my day 10:43 in the morning, and I don't see clear entry. So for me, I'd rather not throw my punches out there. Enjoy my weekend, and I wish you guys enjoy the rest of yours as well. And I will see you back on Monday, guys. Take care.